Contego rat boxes are made out of heavy-duty plastic, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Our tamper-resistant bait stations arrive locked. The key is located in a small alcove at the rear. Your rat box will act as a run or hideaway for rodents, funneling them towards the bait chamber. To unlock your box, firstly, locate the key in the alcove at the rear. Insert the key, turn it roughly a quarter turn and apply pressure. Your box will now open. Included with your rat box will be a removable divider and a metal rod for securing bait. One main chamber is used for the placement of poisons and traps. The run channels rodents through the box and towards the chamber. When handling poisons, such as our range of grains, pasta and block, make sure to always wear gloves. Also, keep away from food prep surfaces, children and pets. The main chamber is then fitted with either a trap or poisons. When placing your bait station, keep in mind that rodents typically stick close to walls. We recommend placing your bait station snugly against a wall and securing it in place using either screws or a heavy object placed on top. Please remember, always follow all safety instructions. Thank you.